When Maria came into my office, she had changed her job recently, and she thought that that was what she wanted. All went well in the beginning. She seemed to have a great team around her. Her boss was okay at first. She did what she loved doing. But soon enough, self-doubt sneaked in. Nothing she did felt good enough in her eyes, and she felt herself crumbling, felt constantly stressed, and experienced panic attacks almost daily. What the hell was going on? That stress was growing on her as the weeks went by, undermining her self-worth. She was sure she is just not good enough. She needs to work even harder. Life is hard. As the weeks passed by, she forgot she has a life. Her loving family didn't count anymore. No matter what her friends said, she just brushed it off. All that was counting was her performance at work. If only she would be perfect at work, her life would be okay. But as she is not perfect, she got proof of what a failure she is every single day. And soon, everyone will find out. She will lose face, she will lose her job, she will lose her family, she will lose her home. She couldn't sleep anymore. Nightmares woke her up every night. Her heart was beating so loud she couldn't hear anything else. She was sweating and shaking and had a hard time calming herself down. She walked around the house, telling herself, this was just a dream, but nothing seemed to help. Impossible to go back to bed. And so she stayed up all night trying to keep herself busy, trying to think positive. In the mornings, she was so exhausted and on edge. She became an angry and bitter person. She hated her new job. She hated everyone around her. She hated her life. And most of all, herself. All life was sucked out of her. She was just an empty shell of herself. Oh yes, she tried to stay positive. She tried to tell herself she is good enough. She went to therapy even, read self-help books. But her inner stress and panic attacks persisted. She just felt lost, dark, and empty. Nothing can help her. We have seen each other for 4 sessions. At first, it was difficult for her to understand that change can be that easy and that fast. She was used to believing that she needs to work hard for everything. She was convinced nothing in life comes easy. I helped her out of those old worldviews, and she couldn't believe how easy that was. Laughing out loud in relief and disbelief at the same time when she had first-hand experienced, puzzled yet excited that something happened and has shifted. Session by session, she became more open, more fun. She began to sleep much better, letting go of that inner pressure she has set on herself. And with more sleep and rest, she found her energy back. She goes to work each morning, looking forward to the day. Her friends and family and even colleagues have noticed her change. She looks more positive into the world, jokes around, is easy to be around. People began to treat her differently because she now feels much more confident. Just naturally growing into her usual optimistic self, she regained her self-esteem. And that led automatically into her setting her boundaries straight. That's what happened. I know now. I can handle whatever comes my way. And when I make mistakes, I learn from them and improve. I can say no to something I don't want. I don't care what other people think. I'm calm and confident. And I can't believe I just said that. So much is possible in so little time. Well done, Maria. If you want to remove your anxiety and panic attacks, if you want to regain your natural self-confidence, your natural optimism and joy for life, just get in touch. Let's see what we can do together as a team for your well-being, for your happiness, for your inner peace and freedom. Book your first strategy call with me and let's have a chat. Bye for now.